Good morning, everybody. It's July 7th, early morning here in Bavaria. Yesterday was the first Bayou Bash held in Lake Charles, Louisiana. And I was lucky enough to get to moderate for the Broussard Homestead. And although it was very tiring, I'm glad I could do it. I spent 8 hours sitting in front of the computer. That was hard. That's the first time I've done that. But without Drew Boterf setting up all of the technical stuff on that end, and he's a magician. I don't know how he managed it, but they had 4 live camera feeds running for a whole 8 hours without too much of a glitch. So yay Drew. It was my first time moderating, and it was a challenge. I think I did fairly well, but I guess that assessment is up to the Broussards and to the Boterfs. And I will put their links down below, because Brett and Amy Broussard organized this all by themselves for the most part. And I know I'm tired. They got to be completely wiped out. Same with Drew and his wife. These people are amazing. And this is what it's all about, community and family. Thank you. I hope to be there next year. Couldn't do it from Bavaria, but I did what I could. Thank you.